Sony has long been at the forefront of noise-canceling headphone technology, and with the WH-1000XM5, they've once again raised the bar. These wireless headphones offer industry-leading noise cancellation, exceptional sound quality, and a host of smart features that make them a top contender in the premium headphone market. Design and comfort. The WH-1000XM5 sports a sleek, minimalist design that's a departure from its predecessor. The headband and ear cups feature a softer, more rounded aesthetic that not only looks modern, but also enhances comfort. The synthetic leather ear pads and headband padding provide a plush feel, making these headphones comfortable for extended listening sessions. At just 250 grams, about half a pound, the WH-1000XM5 is lightweight, reducing fatigue during long wear. The stepless slider for size adjustment ensures a perfect fit for various head sizes. While not as compact as the previous model when folded, the included carrying case is well designed and protective. Noise cancellation. Sony has truly outdone itself with the noise cancellation on the WH-1000XM5. Utilizing 2 processors to control 8 microphones, these headphones offer unprecedented noise cancellation quality. The Auto NC Optimizer automatically adjusts the noise cancellation based on your environment and wearing conditions, ensuring optimal performance in any situation. The improvement is noticeable, especially in mid to high frequency ranges. Whether you're in a noisy office, on a plane, or walking down a busy street, the WH-1000XM5 creates an impressive cocoon of silence, allowing you to focus on your audio without distraction. Sound quality. Sony's new integrated processor Phi-1 works in tandem with the 30mm driver unit to deliver exceptional audio quality. The sound signature is well balanced, with clear mids, detailed highs, and a punchy but not overpowering bass. The wide soundstage and precise imaging create an immersive listening experience across various genres. The LDAC codec support ensures high-resolution audio playback when paired with compatible devices, while the DSE Extreme upscaling technology enhances the quality of compressed audio files. Whether you're an audiophile or a casual listener, the WH-1000XM5 offers a rich, detailed sound that's sure to impress. Smart features. The WH-1000XM5 is packed with intelligent features that enhance usability. The Speak to Chat function automatically pauses your music and lets in ambient sound when you start speaking, perfect for quick conversations. The wear sensor pauses playback when you remove the headphones and resumes when you put them back on. Multi-point connection allows you to pair the headphones with 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously, making it easy to switch between your phone and laptop. The touch controls on the right ear cup are intuitive and responsive, allowing easy control of playback, volume, and calls. The Sony Headphones Connect app offers extensive customization options, including EQ adjustments, 360 reality audio setup, and control over various smart features. Call quality. With 4 beamforming microphones and advanced audio signal processing, the WH-1000XM5 excels in call quality. Voice pickup is precise, and background noise is effectively suppressed, ensuring clear communication even in noisy environments. Battery life and charging. The WH-1000XM5 boasts an impressive 30-hour battery life with noise cancellation enabled, easily lasting through multiple days of use. Quick charging is also supported, providing 3 hours of playback from just 3 minutes of charging with a compatible USB PD charger. Alexa and voice assistant integration. These headphones offer seamless integration with voice assistants, including Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. The hands-free voice activation works well, allowing you to access your preferred assistant without reaching for your phone. Connectivity. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures a stable and energy-efficient connection. The range is excellent, and I experienced no dropouts or lag during testing. The headphones also support Google Fast Pair for quick setup with Android devices. Positive points. 1. Industry-leading noise cancellation performance. 2. Excellent sound quality with wide codec support. 3. Comfortable and lightweight design. 4. Impressive 30-hour battery life with quick charging. 5. Clear call quality with effective background noise suppression. 6. Intuitive touch controls and wear detection. 7. Extensive customization options through the companion app. 8. Multi-point connection for easy device switching. 9. Seamless voice assistant integration. Negative points. 1. Premium pricing may be prohibitive for some buyers. 2. Not as compact when folded as the previous model. 3. No aptX codec support, which may disappoint some Android users. 4. Touch controls can be overly sensitive at times. 5. No IP rating for water or sweat resistance. Conclusion: the Sony WH-1000XM5 represents the pinnacle of wireless noise-canceling headphone technology. With its unparalleled noise cancellation, superb sound quality, and wealth of smart features, it's a top choice for frequent travelers, office workers, and anyone seeking a premium audio experience. While the price point is high, the WH-1000XM5 justifies its cost with its exceptional performance and feature set. The improvements in noise cancellation and call quality, combined with the refined design and maintained battery life, make these headphones a worthy upgrade even for owners of previous models. Some users may miss the more compact folding design of the earlier version, and the lack of aptX codec support could be a drawback for certain Android users. Additionally, while the touch controls are generally intuitive, they can sometimes be too sensitive, leading to accidental inputs. Despite these minor quibbles, the Sony WH-1000XM5 stands out as one of the best noise-canceling headphones on the market. Whether you're an audio enthusiast, a frequent traveler, or someone who values peace and quiet in their daily life, these headphones offer a compelling package that's hard to beat. The combination of class-leading noise cancellation, excellent sound quality, long battery life, and thoughtful features makes the Sony WH-1000XM5 a top recommendation for anyone in the market for premium wireless headphones. While they come at a premium price for many users, the exceptional performance and quality will be well worth the investment.